Aduro had a press release this morning titled Aduro Clean Technologies expands presence in Europe, establishing subsidiary in Netherlands. Let's read some of this. Aduro, a Canadian technology company using the power of chemistry to transform lower value feedstock into resources for the 21st century, is excited to announce the establishment of its European subsidiary Aduro Clean Technologies Europe, ACTE, based in Geleen, Netherlands. The formation of ACTE marks an important expansion of Aduro's international footprint, demonstrating the company's dedication to its global growth strategy. ACTE will serve as Aduro's European hub and a conduit for achieving strategic goals in the region. Netherlands was selected due to the company's robust regional relationships, including its successful partnership with Brightlands Camelot Campus and Camelot Innovation Learning Labs. Do you remember when I was doing the interviews, I interviewed Lucy from Brightland Camelot Campus, and if I bring your attention to this press release, which was on November 2nd, 2021, and I go to the 3rd paragraph. After reviewing the Aduro technology in interviewing its experts over the past 12 months, we feel that HCT-based solution provides certain benefits compared to alternatives. Therefore, we are very excited about the possibility for advancing its important technology to a commercial scale and establishing it as a valuable solution to the plastic problem, says Eric Appelman, Director of Business Development at the Brightlands Camelot Campus for Industrial Upscaling. So pretty much, this is the next step. This is the next step from the press release. And now let's remember, this was 2021. Now it's 2023. Hi, things take time. But so, from what I understand, what's important about this is that right now Aduro has a hub in Canada. So Brightland is the spot for plastic recycling in Europe, and so now they will have the presence in Europe. And as you probably know, Europe is more serious about everything green, right? There is grants available, like for example, green bonds that started in Germany. For any company that has a hub or location or entity in Europe, obviously it helps you get those access those resources, whether it's grant or whatever it is, or access to clients. And I wouldn't be surprised if they build like R3 or even a commercial unit in Netherlands and have it financed by some of these grants that are available in Europe. Because again, when it comes to anything green, Europe is more serious about it, more advanced about it. We're not going to get into discussion of the politics or whatever behind it, but just in general, Europe is more serious about that. So that's the benefit of having a hub in Europe. Okay, let's continue with the press release. ACTE will focus on advancing the hydrocomalytic process for plastic upcycling within the European market, with the primary goal of constructing a future demonstration unit at the Brightlands site, showcasing the company's patented hydrocomalytic platform technology for tackling hard-to-recycle mixed plastic, mainly those rejected from other processes such as mechanical recycling. The company is engaging in partnership discussions with local stakeholders on the project. So kind of like what I was saying, that they will have some kind of constructing a future demonstration unit. So that they did the R2, right? And then they recently raised the money to do like a bigger unit. So being there, they would probably get access to some kind of non-dilutive grants to build their R whatever, whether it's R2, R3, or pre-commercial or commercial unit, that's to be determined. Europe's based subsidiary aligns with Aduro's strategic business plan, which outlines the expansion into key international markets. In line with this vision, Aduro plans to progress on the following objectives once preliminary data from the pilot scale hydrochemilytic continuous flow plastic units are available and a local team is onboarded. So they're going to have a local team. Establish a dynamic engagement with Europe's based stakeholders to facilitate robust partnerships, stimulate customer engagement, and propel corporate development. Build a consortium of local partners to support the build-out of our regional demonstration unit and accelerate the commercialization of HPU. Leverage local and European government grants to support the demonstration and commercialization of our patented technology. Form alliances with local service providers, including engineering companies, feedstock suppliers, and offtake vendors. Aduro already has initiated the process of assembling the European team and is in advanced discussions to bring on key personnel. The European team is expected to have significant impact on the implementation of the company's strategy in Europe and globally, aligning with its business plan of becoming a global leader in the sustainable transformation of waste plastic, heavy bitumen, and renewable oils. Establishing a European hub is a significant stride in our strategic journey, said Ofer Vikas, the CEO. It will not only allow us to better engage and serve our stakeholders in the region, but also act as a catalyst for several strategic goals we have in Europe. We are enthusiastic about the promising outlook our new hub fosters, emphasizing our dedication and to advancing our technology, nurturing partnerships, and engaging with stakeholders across Europe. We are very grateful for the collaborative partnerships we have already formed in Netherlands, such as the one we have with Brightlands, and we look forward to continuing to work together with our partners and to strengthen new regional partnerships to advance the circular economy and promote sustainable practices. Brightlands Chemical Campus is proud to welcome Aduro Clean Technologies, a company that shares our vision for a sustainable future. Their innovative approach to transforming waste plastic into valuable resources is a testament to the power of chemistry and technology. We are excited to see how their presence will enrich our campus and contribute to the advancement of sustainable practices in Europe, said Karen Schultz, Business Development Manager at Brightlands Chemical Campus. So, on surface, you might not think it's a big deal, but I think everything is like a pipeline, right? You have to, in order to get, client engagement and things done in a particular region, you have to, it's like a pipeline. You have to put something in and later it comes out on the other end. So you remember, Aduro was invited to join this group. And now that once they have the presence in Europe and the team in Europe, we could probably expect some future contracts, future press releases. So only time will tell. But for now, I think this is a great step in the right direction.